Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is 1. In today's video, we will solve a past paper question on series and sequence, which is taken from Yr11 for the maths at Edexcel. So let's read the question here, as there are 3 parts of the question, so one at a time. The sum of the first n terms of arithmetic series. Now first thing is arithmetic series. And we know arithmetic series means the series which has a common difference. So sum of the terms will be given by this formula which is given to you here. Right? So if you will substitute n1, n2, n3, what does it mean? If you put 3, n equals to 3, it means you will get the sum of first 3 terms. So first part of the question is saying S20. So simply in place of n, you will write down 20. It means the sum of 20 terms you will find out. Okay, so let's do that. The formula was given to us, and in place of n, I will write down 20. So I have found the value of sum of 20 terms, which is equals to 860. Okay, now the next question is, given that Sn is equals to this, so what are those terms which you are adding up, which add up to whatever the formula you substitute in it, you get it. So what are those terms? Let's see here. So the meaning of this question is, if I put r equals to 1, first of all, let's understand the meaning of the question first. So it will be the first term. Then the second term will be if you put r2. Then the third term will be if you put r3. So it means if you keep substituting the values, you will get the number of term 1, term 2, term 3, and you will add up. It will give you sum of the series. I have to find the value of A and value of B. And what is given to us here is that sum of the term you can find out with the help of this formula. Let me write it here. Right. So I don't have any information. So what will I do here now? Yes, you're right. I will first of all substitute 1 in this formula, then 2. Why? When I will substitute 1, it means sum of first term, which means the first term itself. Right? Because sum of first term mean only first term itself. When you do n2 in the formula, in this formula, you get the sum of 2 terms. So it is very much clear that if I subtract those terms, I will get the second term itself. Yes or no? Because sum of the terms is 14. So if I do 14 minus 5, I will get the second term. And that will help me to get the distance. Because if you know first term and second term, and you minus them, you will get the difference between the terms. Question told you that it is arithmetic progression. Now you have A is equals to 5, D equals to 4. And you have to find out what value of A and B. So this is my first term. I can say this is equals to 5. This is my second term. I can say this is equals to 4. Because the second term is 4. Absolutely right. This will help you to form the, or to get the equations which you can solve simultaneously to get the value of A and B. So I hope you understood. I am using here elimination method to solve simultaneously. You want to do substitution method, your choice. So you got the value of A and B. Let's see what is the last part of the question. This is the last part of the question. There is another arithmetic series which has a difference 7 and first term 7 and common difference 4. So this is the first piece of information given in the question. And the sum of the n terms is represented by Tn. And what is Tn? It is equals to Sn plus 252. So now this is helping you to form the equation. So let's see here. First of all, we will find out what is Tn, sum of the n terms in this series. So you know the formula for the sum of the terms if arithmetic progression is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. A you know is 7 and D is 4. So I will substitute these values to get the sum of the term formula here. So I got it. This is a simplified version. Now we will substitute it in this equation. In place of Tn, I will write this, and in place of Sn, what was given in the previous part. Right? So here is the equation, and now we will substitute these values. This is Tn and this is Sn. So I'm going to substitute these values here. You can see slowly. Okay. You have to find the value of n. So what comes in your mind? What will you do next? Yes, very good. Algebraically, we will just solve it and get the value of n. That's all. So let's open or expand the brackets and solve it. I'm sure you got the same answer. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.